Imagine holding a golden opportunity in your hands, where you can take the rich aroma and vibrant colors of India's finest spices and deliver them to kitchens across the globe. From turmeric lattes in New York to peppered steaks in London, the demand for Indian spices is booming worldwide. If you've ever wondered how to tap into this billion-dollar market, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll uncover everything you need to know to start exporting Indian spices and turn this into a profitable business venture. Stick around till the end, and we'll even share how to connect with trusted suppliers for free. Why Indian spices are in demand. India is known as the land of spices for a reason. With over 75% of the world's spice production, we export everything from turmeric and cumin to exotic spices like cardamom and saffron. What makes Indian spices so special? It's their unparalleled flavor, aroma, and the ancient farming techniques that produce them. Moreover, there's a growing trend for natural and organic products globally, and Indian spices fit perfectly into this narrative. Countries like the USA, UK, UAE, and Australia are among the largest importers, with consumers willing to pay a premium for authentic, high-quality spices. Choosing the right spices. To start exporting, focus on high-demand spices that guarantee a good profit margin. Turmeric, for instance, is a global favorite for its health benefits and use in everything from food to skincare. Black pepper, known as the king of spices, is a staple in almost every kitchen. Cardamom is a luxury spice used in desserts, teas, and even perfumes, making it a lucrative option. Chili powder and cumin seeds are essentials in international cuisines. Research the market demand in your target country and start small with these popular choices before diversifying your offerings, finding reliable suppliers, and ensuring quality. Your next step is sourcing high-quality spices, and this is where many new exporters face challenges. Platforms like IndiaMart, Trade India, or visiting spice hubs like Kerala and Rajasthan can connect you with trusted suppliers. Always verify their authenticity. Request samples and check for certifications like FSSAI, ISO, or organic certifications. Quality is non-negotiable in this business. A single bad batch can harm your reputation. If you're unsure where to begin, you can contact us directly. We offer free access to genuine manufacturers to ensure your journey starts on the right note: packaging, documentation, and shipping. Once you've secured your spices, focus on proper packaging to preserve their freshness and aroma. Use eco-friendly, airtight packaging with clear labeling that includes certifications, batch numbers, and expiration dates. Exporting requires documentation like commercial invoices, certificates of origin, and compliance with the destination country's regulations. Partnering with a freight forwarder simplifies the shipping process, ensuring your spices reach their destination efficiently. Pro tip: start with smaller shipments to test the waters and gradually scale up as you build trust with buyers. Exporting Indian spices is more than a business. It's an opportunity to share a piece of India's rich heritage with the world. By choosing the right spices, working with trusted suppliers, and ensuring top-notch quality, you can build a sustainable and profitable business ready to begin your export journey. Subscribe to this channel for more tips, and don't forget to message us on WhatsApp at +91 8130 8600 to get free access to genuine suppliers. Let's spice up your profits and take your business global.